In version 2025 release 1, now we have access to 3 different versions of the variance report. To get to those reports, you will first have to install them from your Quick Start library. Caveat is that your system was provisioned using Quick Start library. So go to Applications, GL, Financial Reports, and then top right, click on Quick Start library. Go to the last page. Reports are listed in alphabetical order. And you'll see, close to the end, you see 3 different reports here. Variance analysis by department, and by location. Let's pick the first one and click on Install. On the next screen, you can give it a name, label, basically the way how you'd like to see it on your reports menu. Click on Save, and you'll get this prompt that report has been saved. Let's go back to GL, Financial Reports, go to the last page, and you'll see that Variance Analysis report is there now. Let's preview it. There you go. There's a new column there for year-to-date actual minus budget. Values are color-coded depending on the size of the variance. We're going to have a lighter or darker shade of green or red depending on the dollar threshold. This can be modified and colors can be changed, or different shades of the colors can be changed depending on the value.